Good morning, it is 7:06. We are in Roatan right now. That's what it's called. I'm gonna welcome Mom and Melly to wake up. We have an hour to get ready, eat, and an hour afterwards we're gonna go onto the island. Or the city. I forgot what it's called, but okay, let's go. Wait, no, it's a little different.
I cannot see in this light.
Did you buy brown contacts?
Turn.
No, she gave them to me.
Turn. Wait, just look at me normal. No, it's lighter. Okay. It's like hazel, isn't it?
Yeah,
kind of green brown.
Oh, okay. Let me put my other one. Ôi. Đất cọ ok, dòng nụ chỉ sau đi nè. Chân cha ý tu thử hữu cọ, chân cha ý tu thử sách cọ. Hả? Okay.
Okay, good. All clear.
What are you doing? You got me taco now. Girl, you got me taco now. Wow, do you like my sound? Yeah. Can I see your cup? Okay. Okay, sis, how do you climb up?
It's so easy, man.
Girl, you really risking that bed over there in that picture frame.
And you're risking getting stuck too.
Yeah, girl, good luck. Don't hurt yourself, please.
Whoa.
Wow. 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 Okay, how do you get down?
It's easy. Even easier. I could do this in the middle. Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights. Cause that's Sheila. You say it's easy cause y'all ain't sleeping yet.
It's easy. Oh.
See, it's so diffy.
Easy.
How am I supposed to do that in the middle of the night when I have to go pee? Y'all are sleeping right there.
Turn off the lights. Hurry.
Ganito lempa.
Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Cause Sheila.
Just kidding.
Sige ha.
Just kidding.
How am I supposed to do that in the middle of the night?
You try.
Oh,
Ping lại hai lùa.
Girl, I think I'm gonna break this sidewall.
If I didn't say you should do it that way, but if you break it, then I'm gonna sue you.
How'd you do it?
They might sue you. It's coming out of your pocket. Wait. Oh, that was smooth. Can I get down?
I'm gonna get down the way
Like,
I gotta.
do not get knocked out with it.
Oh my god.
You're tall, so you're just.
We're going on a trip.
January 16th. Hello. For Roatan. We're going for breakfast right now. The buffet. Here's the mother truckers with us.
8:17. Yeah.
Here's Chishi and my mom.
Time out. Your time out. What? Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Ping,
Bye bye.
and my daughter Gasha Singba.
We're going.
Drill now. Okay. Bye now, buffet.
Okay, go back and see. Mama, come on, let's go, Mama.
Bye now, mama.
Hello.
This is a break dance.
Hello. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom
Have
nom.
you tried to climb on Rowan Chickie's bed? Throw line? Have you tried? Why would you throw lines at your kid's bed?
You're so sweet. You give me your donut too.
Dreamed it right.
That's what Yin would do.
Chơi chào. Cha này là khỏi đây rong cao trong đầu sao? Nhớ xong nhớ xong ta chi.
You're matching dad today.
Ma. Cái nó chưa? Cái nó chưa mà đó.
Gucci CD cũng bán cái giá nữa. Big and lump, hash brown lump.
Okay.
I don't know what this is.
Okay.
Croissant, French toast sausage,
You're
boiled
touching
egg.
it though.
Oh, boiled egg sounds so good.
It's not on this for my daughter.
Oh. Mình thấy cái xe cái nó chi nào?
Okay.
Did you see the
Can you show me what you're eating? Ah, oh.
Okay.
What are you eating, Ping?
I just ate a chocolate croissant.
Oh.
French toast.
Oh, French toast, yummy. Thank you for sharing. Thank you. I saw you share for me. Thank you. Ah.
Share with Tai Bong. Share with Tai Bong. Tai Bong.
I heard somebody called my name.
Oh, you missed it, girl.
Ooh.
You missed it. She
Where?
can share with you. Prepare yourself now.
Like a plane.
So close. Bye-bye. 私のよ、二蒙古杯了呢，那是九蒙古杯，杯挺大，牛呢？啊，但是呢，九蒙古杯杯导演给木杯爱了。tôiจะไปนะ
No, we don't hold it.
The hectic elevator situation.
Ồ, con chữ con chiều bởi vì cái tiếng chữ của lúc nãy chữ
Don't do that. Don't do that. Rồi.
Để đi tự do của mày. Oh, but you walk to the other side, we gotta walk all the way back.
Oh, it's 6. Ito sa Mikalo!
Yoshi. Yoshi. Get to Uncle Ben.
It is 9:25, so we are here. Good morning. Wow, girl, your dress is so cute.
I do have shorts. Just want to say.
Okay.
Oh, here's how we are.
This is a nice breezy day.
Yeah.
Bye na.
Oh, it's a good day to eat. It is windy.
Really here. Is that okay, babe? Here we are at Roatan.
No, don't touch.
walking around right now, so here he is. Hello.
Piña colada, mojito, rum punch.
Bye palo. Bye bye bye. So what are you doing here?
What am I doing right here?
Yeah.
Waiting for my sister.
What are you gonna tell her? Ignore lesson.
Yeah, but then I'm just saying that.
Oh, we're not even going that way. We're going this way.
Bro, we're here now.
You might shake, shake, take a seat. You might. Oh, sorry, girl. Sorry. You might shake, shake. Oh yeah. A bucket hat. Tao chỉ phong kia ta xin nào. Đây tao kể bé không? Cho nên bài sát tỏ.
Take you guys wait for you to pay at the end. Taxi service.
Tai gò so.
Oh yeah?
Air condition boss.
Bye. Tai nó so. Chúa bài đấy, chúa. Nhà thế nên bé thái à. Rồi cho nên bao.
Hello guys, I got a plan for the family if you want to do like a little island tour. What's the price for your family? Get so big.
Đó cái gì tên nó search đi hello nó. Lỡ bài lệ phải có. Bra. Ba lo có. Hả? Yeah. Dad wants to walk by the shore over there. Oh, so careful. It's okay. Bên mà la. La. Sao sai lại. Bye. Okay, say what you say.
Okay, go ahead. Các chị trai bảo là mày sao đã có rồi. Các chị trai bảo là You're cruel.
Okay. That was a big part of it.
Okay, try it. Số về, come here.
So la. Hi, mi Akasia.
What are you trying to look up there?
Ooh, your hat, girl.
My disguise.
This guy.
Yes, wait. Ô ba ba.
Ba ma ba. Yan cho nó. Bây giờ guitar biết ăn mua. It is 10:18 right now. Hello. Hello. It is now 10:55. We are now walking upstairs to go get some milk at buffet. Which one buffet? Hello. Hi.
Say bye. Thank you for cleaning my room. We're gonna go swimming. We just came back from Roatan, Honduras. It was okay. It was 10:30, so it's pretty early. Kisha, how do you feel, Kisha? Tired and wants mama.
Yeah.
Daddy, how do you feel?
I feel hot. Cause of the day. Cause of what?
My daughter has been talking about walking a lot.
원래 제가 또 현정은 현정 그냥 같았어. 혼자 뛰어났어. 몇 시야?
Chị mời theo bên đó. Thêm mời thêm.
Yeah. 맛있어. Alo. Nhớ sao tại sao gõ một chiếc chào bên là năm mỏ.
Có rất là bảo sân chạy cơ mà.
Nghe cái xếp tư là. Nói rằng nè, bên nó mà ta là cô là chỉ nói thôi, chỉ bảo cô nói thôi là chỉ cô là nhớ rồi sao luôn. Cute.
It is really cute though.
Does it taste good though?
Pink the wrapping name. It's like
Oh, okay, okay. Ooh.
you get it, babe.
Chocolate cake in between.
Chocolate.
Mày đã nấu xong rồi. Lấy đôi chai vô.
Cô tao cho các cây hả?
Chú mấy cái tô nói cái lò của luôn. Giờ là kỳ lò cái gì chứ có phải tiêu.
That was so funny. I should have gotten that. Cô tao cho các cây hả?
This stuff wasn't bottom store, this is for the mouth down down.
No, cái thứ tôi tao bán rồi, tôi bỏ mất space.
Có chuyện đông mà cũng muốn bottom nó hậu đãi ra là hậu à.
Rồi
Cứ đãi
á.
sai à.
Mình coi nhìn trái là cá đã. Bây giờ.
Nó. Thấy nó là hậu này, bố chỉ lại này.
We work at McDonald's the next day.
Did you really?
Yeah, yeah.
Want me to push my mom to something?
Mặc cái thẳng này. Không phải sai. Không phải rồi còn sai chứ mà. Okay.
Oh my God.
Loser does what?
Loser.
Has to watch that shit.
Okay. I'm already doing that, so. Loser. Winner gets this bracelet.
What? You're only getting something I'm not.
Do you not want the bracelet?
I do want the bracelet. But it's
Then you
mine.
better-
Why are you offering my bracelet? You better.
Okay, what do you want?
Then you better win if you want the bracelet.
I want your kid.
Okay, take my kid. So you don't want her? What do you have against her? She's so
Nothing.
cute. Look at her. Sleeping so peacefully.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Nothing.
Yeah, I'm gonna get $20.
No. I want $20 for
I'm
you.
not gonna win. Why do you think I'm gonna win?
I want a free towel.
A free towel?
I want a Norwegian Cruise Line towel.
I'll take your $20.
$20.
Okay, I use two hands.
No. No. That is not fair, sis. There's no good side. Go with all.
Okay.
You gotta pay our towel.
Babe, you know I'm not gonna win. Why you act like you're gonna win?
Okay, give me $20 then, okay? You didn't count yet! Count! We didn't count yet, Dad! Come on. We didn't count, stop kidding! We didn't count yet!
Wait.
We didn't count, stop. We didn't count yet! You lost! You let go! $20!
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2. You're just gonna go.
Okay, then go!
I know you're stronger than me.
Okay, go.
Okay, go.
Stop! Stop twisting your wrist! Stop, okay. $20. $20.
Okay, cheating.
I said $20.
You don't get $20. I get $20. You wanted my kid.
I want you to get him. I want
You
$20.
get my kid. My sleep pajama. Last time Peter did it with things, Peter had a really
Double bass was really strong last time.
We were playing. We were
You're eating ice cream? You think you're gonna win?
but you two hands.
Go.
You paid!
Go bingo. Go bingo.
Oh,
Dang. I know you're stronger than that.
You just I wrestle with you. Johnny.
Okay, tonight.
Your turn.
My turn.
Your turn.
Okay.
Your turn.
Left hand, left hand.
Ready? Asate. Wow. Good job.
We came back, fell asleep, and now we're here. Where are we going, guys?
We're going.
To the observation hall.
Yes. Okay, Palo.
Palo, makunin mo check out.
We're gonna go check in for our escape room.
I did. Sure.
She cute. Oh, she cute with her egg Benedict. Oh, double eggs. Oh, I got chicken masala with garlic naan. Cô đâu chỉ cá lò nè, chị cũng cho mà lấy xin What's up, Aisha? It's so beautiful outside. Hey, Tua. Why are you so sad?
This is yours.
What?
These are yours.
Uncle Bane, come on board.
Two garlic naan. Yes, thank you.
Why did you love yours here?
Cause I don't know.
Well, the box is already ripped.
Thank you.
Somebody was playing with it and then they accidentally ripped it.
Really?
Uncle Bane,
You see?
look. Look at this.
Wow, that's so cool.
Hey, They know all the A's are super powerful. They know the A's are super powerful.
The A's are powerful. You know what else is powerful? You are.
No?
You are powerful.
I want G.
Hi. My, kiss.
You want one of those? What are these? Even after. Bang!
What are you saying? You can put one.
I said we're gonna go party. Like this.
What happened, my son? Okay. Cassia! Hi! Cho môi tua chi là son nó.
Lỏ môi to chuyện cho có thể chiều này.
Itu belum deh.
Wah, kau deh ada
Hi, it is like 7 here. What time is it? I'm just kidding. It's like 8:13 on the ship. I'm so tired. I'm literally about to sleep. It's so relaxing. The only bad thing about this is it feels so sweaty. Gross. But I feel good. This is where I'm sleeping. This is my view right now. The world is so big, you know? You know? The world's so big. Why am I so small? That makes you realize how small everything is in this world. So fuck them bitches. Fuck them motherfuckers. I'll fight you. Okay, the world's too big to be worrying about these mofos out here. Nó như cho một lối chơi đó gì một lối chơi là lối xếp cho bé ta. Cái tao nó mỏng đi là cái na sao đó chỉ biết chơi chơi bé nó mỏng nó.
근데 봐, 빼빼 한번 봐.
역그. xem nhỏ cách xe tụi nhỏ ai vô chơi nhỏ cách xe vô tụi nó đó chỉ để tụi nó đó. Nó chỉ cái đó lại cho em nữa chỉ có một chuyện nè chỉ đồ nó cruise nó bị một bữa tại cái mà cá đỏ sinh chi chạy nó thật tiền goodbye see y'all bye xin như đó nè Malia
Bye.
see you tomorrow mua đã đi anh đi I am a scholar bye na
Đây là số to thật kia là.
xin chào đó tụi mình đâu bye bye cái tài lô Tôi biết có hơi nó xa Hello Okay Hmm? What? Okay
What you want? No, they don't. They only do it in the morning. Okay, fine. Enjoy.
ไปเลยไม่ไปเดี๋ยวกูจะปัดเลยลูก It is now 9:27 and I just got done showering. Here we go. Toner. So let's see, what was the review today? Today we went to Honduras. I exited the ship. Well, we went to breakfast first. Breakfast was chill. Went to the buffet, Seaside, Real, I think that's what it's called. And went outside. We went for like 30 minutes to an hour, not even that long. And what did we do afterwards? We just came back to change and swim. Hey! We just came back and changed, going to swim. I ended up not swimming because I'm like, it's such a hassle for me to get wet and then have to change. And then me and Ping went on this slide. That was like, I think, 10 stories? Was it 10 stories?
10. Yeah.
10 stories. 10 stories high. It felt like just like a regular playground slide because it went so fast. And it was so dark. What else? Then we went to go eat lunch at buffet. We saw mom and dad. And then we came to a nap. Then we went to observations to get some snacks for Kashia because she didn't eat lunch at all. And then we went to our escape room, which we got out in like 37-ish, 36-ish minutes. What else did we do? And then we're gonna go find Tool and Chishi, and then we're gonna go eat at Indulge. And then I was gonna say the chicken masala with I forgot what kind of bread it's called. I forgot what it's called. But we got that, and then we were just chilling outside for like the last couple hours. And now we're just here. Our plan is to read. I want to get at least one chapter. So we'll see how this goes. Why does my face here feel so... Oh my gosh, is that where I hit my fuck?
Oh, I remember Kazan now.
What did you guys do there?
It's a walkway along. It's a long walkway, pretty much, just along the shoreline. It's nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, actually really nice.
Okay, that's good.
Busy.
Oh, really?
It was busy.
Oh my god.
Cars galore. So many people.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Dang. You go night-night? Go poop. Good night. No, not yet. Can you me meow?
Yeah. Still living life.
Whoa! Baby!
Ready, go, baby.
Wow! Oh my gosh, good shit.
I know, she just did that. She started doing that. Show mommy. Baby, ready? Show mommy. Wow, baby.
Wow, good trai cái chuyện trai là.
Chị trai Leo.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Good.
Do it.
I'll do it.
lòng cu của cờ trâu hao cu lu sung thia, hoa rong cao gì xia đua lúa tê lúa